I'm gonna come to the Gary Van Roblox, men ikke med Roblox. Men vi kan tale engelsk til alle vores videoer, så jeg kommer til at tale engelsk. Og jeg håber, at I kan lide min video, og jeg skal blive god og til at lave videoer og alt muligt at lave videoer. Så jeg håber, at I kan lide den video. Oh yeah. So guys, today we're gonna talk English, no Danish. So I hope you join my group. It's Friends from School and Family. This is my group. So I hope you enjoy my group and I give free rubrics. Whoa. Hi Gamer, we are just game group. I promise them. Long you need to pay new member. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoy my video. Woo! Why cry? Don't cry, bro. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Thanks for asking me. What? Okay. So, I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe. I need more. I need more like and subscribe. Please guys, I hope you're gonna be fine. And yeah, because I have subscribed with you. Oh no. I have subscribed with you. I have subscribed with you. It's so good. You have so good videos. And I will be him. But no, I can't. I need more subscribers, like. I was so much to be him. Look all his videos. He have a song. Oh my God, he have so good. Please, guys, subscribe me, like, comment, please. Oh my God, I hope I finally get subscribers and like, please, because I will be really happy and I will be enjoy you and yeah, for Robert. Oh my God, he gave me, Johnny gave me two, lol. Okay, guys, I hope you love my videos, all my videos. But God really have a good video. But yeah, I hope you enjoy my video. I really need like a more subscribers. And I hope you enjoy my videos and be happy for all the things I have made. Yeah, I hope you're gonna be happy because I hope it. Okay, so guys, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. So, grab with you. You have really my good videos. Please like my videos, subscribe all my videos, please. Because I really need it. What? Look all his videos. I need to be a big YouTuber. Please be fan of me. And look, I hope you subscribe Guava Juice. His name is Guava Juice. Oh look, I hope you can buy this because he is my big fan of YouTuber. I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, let's go. and I really want to be him. Look all like me, so I'm gonna be big and not little, like so big. So I hope you can enjoy my video. Oh yeah, I was thinking, oh my god. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I hope you like, and yeah. Oh.